What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of maintenance management, something crucial for any business or operation running smoothly. Whether you're running a factory, managing a building, or just keeping your own equipment in shape, these tips are going to be absolutely clutch. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss this. First up, we're tackling energy management. We're not just talking about turning off the lights when you leave the room, although that's always a good idea. We're talking about really digging deep into how your operation uses energy. Are there any energy vampires hiding in plain sight? Maybe some equipment is running inefficiently, or you've got outdated systems that are sucking down power. By closely monitoring your energy usage and implementing energy-efficient solutions, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and operational costs. Even small changes, like optimizing your lighting or upgrading to more energy-efficient equipment, can make a noticeable difference over time. Next up, let's talk about standardization. Imagine a world where every single task, every procedure, is documented, organized, and easily accessible. That's the power of standardized procedures. No more searching through endless folders. Everything is right where it needs to be. This kind of clarity and consistency leads to fewer errors, reduced downtime, and ultimately, a more efficient operation. Whether it's routine maintenance, complex repairs, or basic troubleshooting, having a standardized approach ensures that everyone is on the same page. Plus, when it comes to training new employees, standardized procedures are a game changer. All right, let's talk mobile technology. In today's hyper-connected world, there's no reason why your maintenance operations should be stuck in the dark ages. Mobile technology empowers your team with real-time data, instant communication, and the ability to access critical information from anywhere, at any time. Imagine this. A technician in the field can receive instant notifications about equipment malfunctions, access digital manuals and schematics on their tablet, and even collaborate with remote experts via video call, all while on the go. This level of connectivity and real-time responsiveness not only streamlines your operations, but also empowers your team to make faster, more informed decisions. It's like switching from a clunky old GPS to using Google Maps. Everything just becomes faster, easier, and way more efficient. Now, let's talk about the big guns computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS for short. This is like the ultimate software suite for taking your maintenance operations to the next level. A CMMS gives you the power to centralize all your maintenance data, track work orders, manage inventory, schedule preventive maintenance, and generate insightful reports, all in one place. No more juggling multiple spreadsheets or trying to decipher handwritten notes. With a CMMS, you have a clear, real-time view of your entire operation. You can track asset performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions that optimize efficiency and reduce downtime. There are tons of great CMMS options available, from cloud-based solutions to on-premise systems, so you can find the perfect fit for your specific needs and budget. Finally, let's talk about the future of maintenance, predictive maintenance. Imagine a world where you can anticipate equipment failures before they happen, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. By leveraging technologies like sensors, data analytics, and machine learning, you can gain real-time insights into the health of your equipment. You can identify patterns, detect anomalies, and predict potential failures before they occur. This allows you to proactively schedule maintenance, optimize inventory, and minimize costly downtime. Instead of waiting for your car to break down on the side of the road, you get regular checkups and address minor issues before they become major problems. Predictive maintenance is all about staying ahead of the curve, and it's a game changer for maintaining a smooth and efficient operation. So there you have it, folks. 5 essential maintenance management tips to level up your operations. From energy efficiency and standardized procedures to the power of mobile technology, CMMS, and predictive maintenance, these strategies are all about maximizing efficiency, reducing costs, and keeping things running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.